Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to get your Claude API key. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com, and here to get my Claude API key, first of all I need to search for Claude console. So let's type here Claude console. It will be very first website, and here you can see the domain. It is platform.claude.com. Let's click on it. Now here you need to log in first. So simply enter your email and click on continue with email. I'll skip this part. Now once you're logged in, you will get this sort of a dashboard. On the left hand side you can see I'm getting API keys. Simply click on it, and here at the top right you will get create key. Click on this button. You can give it a name. I'll give it test. You can set the expiration. I'll make it never. Then I need to click on add, and that's my API key, and you can see it is clearly written here, keep a record of the key below. You won't be able to view it again, so make sure after copying it you save it somewhere. Okay, so to copy it you need to click on copy key, then click on done. Now let me open the notepad. Let me paste the key, and here it is. Now anytime you want to delete your key, simply go to API keys again, then click on these three dots and click on delete API key. You can also disable it if you want to disable it temporarily, but if you want to delete it, simply click here, then click on delete. So I hope you understood how to get your Claude API key. See you next video. Have a nice day.